Okay, so following on from the previous video, if you search for the user code begin while, within the while true, we need to add the following code. So we're going to get the status of the touchscreen, and using that status, we're going to extract the X and Y positions that we touch on the LCD. These go into the x-axis and y-axis variables. Then we use the mod instructions to just frame those, just in case we get any spurious values. And then we're going to draw a rectangle using the BSP LCD draw rect function. So that will draw a small rectangle wherever you place your finger. Now it's important that that particular line of code doesn't clear the previous rectangle, so we'd have to do a clear if we wanted to. And we're also going to print the X and Y location onto the terminal. So when we run this code, if you open up terminal as in previously shown in the previous video, you should see LCD is go, touchscreen is go, and then when we touch the LCD, we should see the X and Y axis displayed. So what we're going to do next is just add, using the BSP function for the text color of the rectangle. So we can use the set text color function, and we're going to choose yellow, and this should draw a yellow rectangle when you run the code. Now if you right click LCD color underscore yellow and jump to definition, this will jump to the header file and show you all the colors that are predefined that you can use. You can of course define your own should you need to.